Lesson 8, Session 3, page 179. In this lesson, we are learning how to compare to subtract in word problems. Put your finger under the word look. Look at the example. Then solve problems 1 through 4. Example. There are 6 shovels and 8 pails. How many fewer shovels than pails are there? 8 minus 6 equals 2. There are 2 fewer shovels. So if there are 6 shovels and 8 pails, 6 and 8, which number is bigger? 8 is bigger, so it gets 2 dots. 6 is fewer, so it gets 1 dot. We'll connect those dots. 6 is fewer than 8, right? If I have 8 and 6, which one is greater? 8 gets 2 dots. 6 is fewer, gets 1 dot. Connect them. 8 is greater than 6. So remember, when we're comparing, when we're subtracting, we look for the number that is the greatest number in the story problem. And it gives us 2 numbers. It says there are 6 shovels and 8 pails. What is greatest? Right here we have the word greater, right? So 8 is greater. Okay, and when you subtract, you start with the greatest number, which is the whole. Whole minus a part equals a part. So we had 8 as the greater. 6 had to be the part we knew. Count on from the part we know up to the whole. 6, 7, 8. How many fewer shovels? 2. Okay, number 1. There are 3 shovels and 7 pails. How many fewer shovels than pails are there? Ooh, there's a question. That's what we want to know. Read it again with me. Put your finger under. Follow along. There are 3 shovels and 7 pails. How many fewer shovels than pails are there? Let's compare our number 3 and our number 7. It says, how many fewer? Ooh, there's my song. How many more than, how many less than, mean subtract, mean subtract. How many fewer? How many less? What's the difference? Mean subtract. So if I have 3 and 7, ooh, and here's my subtract. That is whole minus a part equals a part, right? Which one is fewer? 3 or 7? 3 is fewer, so it gets 1 dot. What about 7? That's more. It gets 2 dots. Connect my dots. 3 is fewer than 7, right? 7 and 3. Which one is greater? 7 is greater. It gets 2 dots. 3 is fewer. It gets 1. Connect my dots. 7 is greater than 3. Okay? And when I'm comparing, star, part, whole, in our number bond, whole, part, part. We always put the greater number in the whole when we're making the number bond and comparing. Okay, so which number is greater? Is 7 is greater than 3? 3 is fewer than 7. Right, 7 is greater, so it goes in the whole. What is the part that we know? 3. Count on from the part we know up to the whole. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did we have missing? We had 4 missing. 4 fewer shovels.